you know, most of you young people know this song. It's a song called "I'm Yours." You know what? I'm just gonna do it. Here we go. Come on, come on, everybody say ho! You got it. Here we go.
Well, you done and you did I've been sick. Tried to reach you, but your tongue got melted. Fell through the cracks. Now I'm on my way back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving you my best. Let's do that again. Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's a game I've done to you. Some I love, some, but I won't hesitate. No, no, it cannot wait. I'm yours. Now clap your hands, guys. Here we go. Come on. Open up your mind and feel like me. Open up your planet and you're free. Look into your heart and you find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God forsaken not to be. Love, 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 love. Well, I won't hesitate. No, no, it cannot. I'm yours. There's no need to complicate our time. It's yours. This is our fate. I'm yours. Should have been closer, dear. And I will never your ear. So, I've been spending way too much time looking at my tongue in the mirror. I've been over backwards just trying to see it clearer. My breath won't less, so I drew your face and laughed. I guess it's just the time, timing